welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me holiday edition. So in this video I'm going to show you how I did my makeup, which is actually kind of my everyday makeup, and I'm also showing you my little outfit. So this is not what I'm wearing, but I'm wearing the dress version of this little cardigan, and I've been watching The Nanny on Prime. They have it on Prime, and so she's gonna be influencing my outfits for the next few months and my personality and my just whole everything. But yeah, anyways, I really like this. It's very colorful. I love it. Now the first step to holiday mode is my nails. I got my nails done yesterday and I did this bright red, and these are like the best nails I've had. I mean, recently I really love my nails. I've been getting like fun dark colors, like, you know, I've been doing nude for so long, so I decided to go bright. So this is a gel polish. The exact number is like 756. I don't know, I'll leave the brand like here. But yesterday I was like, you know, I'm not sure about the red. Like, it was not the exact red I wanted, but then like it matches this perfectly. Like, it's so nice. So yeah, these are my holiday nails, even though I'm probably gonna change my nails once more before Christmas, but these are my nails. And today I'm actually collaborating with Lise Watier again. So I did a video this summer when I was living in a hotel. I did a get ready with me with them using a few products, like a few skincare products and some makeup. And so we're collaborating again for the holidays. I actually have two gift sets to share with you. Now Lise Watier this year, they actually have a lot of different gift sets. So I have two. So I have a skincare one and a perfume one. So I will share those with you in this video. But we will get started with the get ready with me. So of course I'm starting with skincare, and the gift set that I got is actually this one right here. It's the Antioxidant Age-Defying Ritual. I know this is a gift set, but I am using it for myself. But it would make such a great gift for your mom because it's such like a nice gift, because skincare can be expensive, and so sometimes it's like, oh, I gotta buy, you know, my cream. But having it as a gift is just so nice, because taking care of your skin is really important, but sometimes you don't really want to spend the money. But you know, so that's why giving this to somebody you love is the perfect gift. I have drier skin in the winter, and I feel like anti-aging skincare is just so much more hydrating, plumping, and all of that for my skin. So I actually really love these products. I've been using them. This gift set retails for $280. First product I'm using is the Sublimessence High Concentration Age-Defying Serum, which I really like products from the Sublimessence line, so this one is really good. And next I'm using the Age Control Supreme La Crème Sublime, and this is good for wrinkles, radiance, and density. And this cream has Labrador tea and Canadian Rumex. So the texture is just like so nice and like rich. The consistency is so good. Also my hands are super dry, so maybe I should use cream on my hands. But anyways, this cream is really nice, perfect for daytime. Your makeup just glides on really nicely after. And then you have a little eye cream, which is the Age Control Supreme La Crème Sublime Yeux. Okay, and then you have the nighttime routine, and I feel like the nighttime packaging is so sexy. Like, this black packaging is just so nice. So this is the Age Control Supreme Nuit Sublime. So this is actually a deep recovery cream or a mask, so you can use it as both, and this is good for wrinkles, rehydration, and regeneration. The consistency again is like really good. This one is very rich, a lot more than the daytime one, which is perfect for nighttime. So yeah, I love a good cream, and I was actually in need of a new skincare kind of regimen. And then this is the Sublimessence Nuit. So this is actually a regenerating serum for nighttime. This is really nice packaging. This is glass, very luxurious feeling, and you have the little pipette, which I'm not sure how you call these in English, but yeah, this is just so nice. So such a great skincare set for yourself, for your mom, your aunt, your sister, I don't know, a best friend. This is such a great set. Okay, and then the last gift set I have to share with you is the perfume gift set, which I love me a good gift set, a good perfume gift set. So this is the Désirable scent, and this one retails for $76, which is a pretty good price for a perfume set. So you get the cream and the perfume. This is a 50 ml, I believe. So yeah, you get a 50 ml perfume. This is such like a flirty, kind of playful, youthful scent. Is very girly. I think everybody would like that. So the top notes are sweet apple, honeyed osmanthus, and tart wild berries. It definitely smells like berries. Then bouquet of freesia, magnolia, and delicate lily of the valley. And then it has velvety refined aromas of musk and sandalwood. So yeah, this is just very nice, and the lotion actually makes my skin feel very soft. So yeah, this is such a great little gift set. They have different gift sets for their different scents. Now my skin feels super plumped and hydrated and very like glowy looking. So now I'm gonna go on with makeup. So I do the same routine every single day. So this is new in my routine. This is the Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. I really love this. It's in the shade 2.5. This is almost like a foundation. Like, it makes your skin look so good, and I love the way it applies. And then this is my blush. I love this. I bought this a few months ago and I use it every single day. It's so good. It gives like the prettiest color. So I usually do one pump. I sort of use the other side of my foundation brush. I apply it and then I blend it out with my sponge. This eyeliner is really hard to work with. Especially, I'm not good at eyeliner, but it's the blackest liquid eyeliner ever, so I still use it, but it's very tricky to use. Okay, so I'll do one more layer of mascara and kind of clean up around my eyes, but I just want to do my lips. So I'm going to do the Charlotte Tilbury liner. This is in Pillow Talk number 1. So I'm just going to slightly line my lips because I don't want anything too harsh. And then I'm gonna do this lip gloss from Lise Watier. It's in the shade Stardust. That has really nice like shimmer. It's a clear gloss with shimmer. So that's why I didn't want to do like a harsh line. I just wanted to kind of line my lips. And these smell really good. It kind of reminds me of like my childhood, but not in like the lip smacker kind of way. Just like something. It smells really nice. So look at that. I've been really into gloss recently instead of actual like lipstick. And this one is really nice. Now, of course, I have to share you my scent. So this is actually a little gift set, a holiday gift set again from Lise Watier. And this is the Desirable gift set. So looks like that. So I already used the lotion when I took my shower earlier today. So I love the lotion. First of all, I love the packaging. It's so like pretty, and I really like that. I'm a big fan of like a matching lotion and perfume, and this lotion is actually really good quality. It's not like super liquidy, you know, sometimes the lotions you get with like gift sets are really liquidy and they don't really hydrate you, but this one really does. So I have this all over my body today, and it just makes my skin smell really good. And then I also already put on the perfume, but I will put some more on when I get dressed. I feel like any age group would like this because it's just so like youthful and flirty and feminine. It's very nice. I can see like a teenager wearing this, but I can also see my mom wearing this because it's just like a nice pleasant scent. So okay, so now let's move on to my party outfit. So I saw this dress a few weeks ago at Zara and I love it so much. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. I love the mix of like red and pink. I think it's so nice. And then this blazer is so nice. It's also from Zara. I got it recently. I have not worn it officially yet. What I love about this blazer is that it's actually like fitted. So it's not, I feel like a lot of blazers right now are very like straight line, like very boxy, but this one is actually really fitted. So I just feel like it's very flattering. And then, so this is optional, but I love faux fur. So this little thing, is from Winners. I bought it last year, I believe. But just any like furry throw, like scarf, really adds something nice to an outfit. Okay, and then for boots, I feel like over the knee are kind of going away now, and it's all about the below the knee, which personally I prefer the way over the knee boots make me look. But these I'm loving. So I bought these very recently from Aldo, and I love the square toe. It's so nice and they fit really well. A bit big on my calves. And then lastly, this bag, which I got for my birthday, so a few months ago, but I've only worn it maybe once or twice because really not much fits in there. The only thing that's gonna fit in there is gonna be my lip gloss and maybe actually the perfume. But yeah, this bag is really nice, and I feel like with the dress, I like mixing pink and red, so I think this is just like such a cute fit. Right. Okay, so I'm dressed. I'm extremely hot in this outfit, but let's put on a bit more gloss. I really love this gloss. It's so nice. I also put perfume in my hair because my hair has been through way worse than just a bit of perfume, so it's gonna be fine. Okay, so this is kind of the final look for the outfit. Concludes my video. I really miss filming. I think the last time I filmed was like a month ago, but soon I'm gonna have time to film a lot more because I'm just gonna have a bit more free time, which I'm very excited about. So that's gonna be great. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little pretend. I love playing dress up. I've been playing dress up my whole life. Every time I didn't have anything to do on a Friday night, that's what I would do. And so I love playing dress up, but I feel like often my outfits turn out way better when I actually don't have anywhere to go. But anyways, this was my outfit for my pretend holiday party that I'm not going to attend. Yeah, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything that I mentioned will be listed down below. Thank you so much, Lise Watier, for collaborating with me on this video. And yeah, I'll see you in a new video very soon. Bye.